Hello children, welcome to my mathematics class. Today we will learn about decimals. So first of all, what is a decimal number? Decimal number is a decimal fraction having 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator and can be represented as decimal numbers. Examples: 3 by 10 is a decimal fraction which can be written as 0.3. 462 by 1000 is a decimal fraction and it can be written as 0.462. Now, decimal numbers have two parts. These type of decimal numbers are called mixed decimals, in which there is a whole number part and a decimal part. You can see the example 93.56. Here 93 is the whole number part or the integral part, and after decimal the number 56 is the decimal part. So from this number you learned about the mixed decimals. Now comes the decimal places. In a decimal number we have to know the decimal places. Like if after decimal there are two numbers, then it has two decimal places. If there are three numbers after decimal, then it has three decimal places. So this is the about the decimal numbers. Now the place value system in a decimal number. What is the place value system in a decimal number? Till now you have learned about the places are from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now after the decimal point, the place value system extend to the right after ones place, and the places are tens, hundreds, thousands, whose value is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So this is the place value system in decimal number, which is used for the expansion of decimal numbers. If we have to expand a decimal number, we express the decimal number in the expanded form by writing the sum of the value of each digit in the given number. So from the place value chart, you know the values of each digit. So if we have to expand 1514.862, so what will be the expanded form of this number? This number can be expanded as 1000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4 plus 0.8 plus 0.006 plus 0.002. In the same way, we can expand all the decimal numbers, but if there is 0 at any place, we don't need to write the value of that digit, because value of 0 will be always 0. Now how we will write the decimal number as fraction and fraction as decimal number? Write the decimal number without decimal point in the numerator and 1 followed by as many zeros as the decimal places in the decimal number in the denominator. Example 0.08 is equal to 8 by 100. After decimal you can see there are two decimal places, so we will put two zeros. In 3.478 we see here three decimal places, so we will put three zeros for three decimal places and write the number in the numerator. Or if we have to write a fraction into decimal, then what we will do? Write the digits of the numerator and put the decimal point such as to have as many decimal places as there are zeros in the denominator of the given fraction. Means if 25 by 10 is to be written in decimal form, then we see here 1 0. So there will be 1 decimal places. So we will put 1 after one digit we will put the decimal, means 2.5. In 4 by 1000 shows the 3 decimal places, so after 3 decimal places we will put decimal. So 4 is alone, so for this we will put 2 zeros to make it to the thousand place, and we will write 0.004 in decimal form. So by now you will be able to learn how to change the decimal number into fractional number and fractional decimal fraction into decimal number, and you can write the number name of this decimal number by the place value chart. How? See here. Here you can see an example 231.239. So this can be placed in on a place value chart like this, and the number name will be 231 and 239 thousands, because these are in the thousands places. Now in mixed fraction, how will you write this? In mixed fraction you will write it the whole number part as a before the fraction, and the decimal part will be in the numerator form, and the places of the decimal will be written here. It means there are 3 digits after 3 decimal places are there, so we will put 3 zeros in the denominator. This will be the mixed fraction for this number, and this is the way all about the decimal numbers. In another class we will learn more about decimals. Till then, take care and thank you.